and gentlemen, it's Paul Stigmeyer with Stig's Roofing Solutions. This is the 2025 Fairview Nature Fest. We are going to do our drawing for the gift baskets that we presented during this event. First, we're going to start off with the Fairview sweatshirt, and it's got some other goods in there. Uncle Lenny's, some gift certificates, everything Fairview. So let's get it.
Stir it up.
All right, here we go.
We have Millie Jones. Millie Jones is the winner.
Millie Jones, you are the winner. You are the winner of the Fairview sweatshirt basket. Congratulations.
All right, let me hang on to that.
All right, second we're gonna do this beautiful Fairview pillow with some Uncle Lenny's coffee. We've got some other Fairview treats in there as well. Some Serenity Pool and Spa gift certificate.
Here we go. Got Kylie Oyster.
Kaylee Oyster.
There we go. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Kaylee. Big win.
All right, now we're gonna do the last basket. This has the Jack Daniels and some of the bourbon glasses, a little bit of mix. All right.
Here you go, Vince.
Oh,
You
big
got
time.
the big one.
This is we got here. Caitlin Crusher. Caitlin Crusher, you are the winner. Just look at that. Congratulations. Courtesy of Stig's Roofing Solutions.
Thank you, guys.